Hi, my name is Chris, and I wanted to show a project that I've been working on for a while. It's called Gongsho. Specifically for TypeScript, and what it does is it adds on your local machine Gen AI for editing your TypeScript projects. So you add it as a dependency to your project, and you could run it. It opens a browser, and you can through chat make updates. It's still a really early version, so it's going to be really slow. I mean, it is kind of slow, but there's a lot of optimizations that could happen to make it faster. I'm going to show you how it works. The example project we're going to use is a simple React project that was practicing with. It's really basic, but it's like a React practice app, and here it is running in one of the tabs, and I'm in the same project, and I've installed Gongsho as a dev dependency, and this is what the startup command looks like. So it's reading out of npm. Great. So this is the interface. You do need an API key from Anthropic because we use the Claude Sonnet, which is really good at CodeGen. So probably the first thing that's happening here is like the home page doesn't really match the rest of the website, especially with colors. So first thing is, can we make the home page background not dark, and maybe simplify its contents to represent the purpose of the site. So what's going on in the background is, and this Gongsho makes it really clear. And by the way, the name's kind of like a little weird, but the Gongsho makes it really clear, like each of the steps that are happening in between. So one of the steps was your local machine acting as you sent like all the project files to Gongsho. At any time, if in any of these responses, like this, the AI agent said back, I need to examine these files, and then Gongsho interrupts that, like doesn't allow you to put input, but immediately gives back the content of the files. And you can at any time you can sort of see exactly the format that the AI is replying back with. So we did reply back that here are all the files. They're pretty long. Let's see what they're going to do. Simplify the home page, make it lighter with content that better represents a React Learning example site. That's pretty good. So the files it had to look at was the home page, the app CSS, and the index CSS. So looks like it's going to be an update. Here's the home page, React example pattern, and simple components and more. All right, this looks pretty good to me. Let's apply these. While it's doing that, and I might speed up the video because, like I said, there's speed optimizations that could happen, but it's pretty good. The looks like they just chose a color. So the change list was generated. There's an apply changes button. This is when it will take the changes and apply it to your local code. All right, it's been applied. If we go back here, it's pretty good, but all right, we'll deal with that later. Let's deal with the top nav because I think that's probably the thing that's really ruining this. Let's see. For the main nav, can we make a hamburger menu which slides out from the side? Also, make its color lightish blue. Let's go with light green. So Gongsho. So this was our request. The AI assistant said it needs to examine some more files. The files were added into the chat. This is kind of complicated because to make the hamburger menu, like you have to make a new component somewhere, and there's going to be probably some animation. So slide out menu panel is pretty good. Style with light green theme. These are the blocks, so it's using, well, whatever. I mean, it should use an icon here. You can refine it. You don't have to apply every time. You can continue to refine it, but this looks pretty good. This looks good enough for right now. Let's generate a change list. Let's apply it. So we go back here. Yeah, we could refine that menu, but this looks pretty good. Like, let's go to a different page. Yeah, it's better. Let's get this home page cleaned up some more. Let's see. On the home page, can we simplify it even more and make a layout which lists the main pages, main practice pages? And remove the icon. Also remove the icon. Okay. Great, so it's going to look at App Router, the latest version. Oh yeah, I used the word icon instead of the graphic. I got a feeling you'll know what I'm talking about. Let's see, practice grid, practice map. It gets the paths from the router. Okay, so that's pretty good. There's some new practice card stuff. Let's do this. This is the home page. Yeah. I think it removed all the text actually. All right. Okay, there's a little animation. I think this is good enough. I mean, this icon, maybe I can quickly try and do that. The hamburger icon is too big. Can you make it an SVG? Let's see if this does it. You don't always have to have it be open questions. Like, you can just say, make the hamburger icon smaller in an SVG. All right, great. So we got some lines. That looks pretty good. Let's get the change list. Will look cleaner and more consistent across different devices and screen sizes. Okay, that's good. Stroke for crisper rendering. Unnecessary spans. Yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Got a little stuff going on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I wouldn't quite use it on your project yet, but it will get a lot faster, and I'll post an update if you follow this channel or follow me. All right, see you.